Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Wedding Week video. Today I have a really fun stepper card for you. This is my At the Altar stepper card. How pretty is this design? You have that couple there in the middle, you have the archway in the background. They're on a bridge and there's some pretty water here underneath them and the different flowers on either side. There's a big spot on the inside for your message, and I include an envelope as well. Now I do have 3 different versions of this card, one for Mr. and Mrs., one for Mr. and Mr., and one for Mrs. and Mrs. You'll be able to select which version of this card you want to make once we get into the design in CRICUT Design Space. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Wedding Week 2026. If you're watching this video while the event is going on, you can find the cut file on the event page. There's a link down below for you to check it out. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file in the link below. If you're interested in all cut files during the event, as well as printable worksheets, bonus cut files, and commercial licensing for all event files, go ahead and check out the VIP Access Pass. You can find out more information in the description box below. No matter how you get the file, make sure you download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. Before we start converting some score lines, we need to choose which version of the card we want to make. Now I have versions for Mr. and Mrs., Mrs. and Mrs., and Mr. and Mr. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using the Mr. and Mrs. version, so I'm going to highlight the other two and then delete those. Now let's find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers. Highlight this top layer. Come up to the operation menu and change that to score. Highlight the group and attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base. Once you've converted the score lines for the card base and the envelope, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. assemble your card. Alright, I've gotten everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is fold and burnish the score lines on the card base. Now, holding it with the two score lines here on the sides closest to you, I'm going to fold these top score lines as mountain folds. Then this middle score line here as a mountain fold. The second set of score lines on either side as valley folds. And then the last set of score lines on either side as mountain folds. Okay, so that's kind of how it looks like before it gets burnished. I'm going to go ahead and close up the card. Give it a press with my hands, and then I will press it with my scraper. And there is our card. I'll set that to the side for just a minute. Let's go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. Now let's take the card base and go ahead and open it up, and we can go ahead and attach the messaging panel to the inside. Close that up and set this to the side for just a minute. Alright, now we can go ahead and layer the front cover panel. I do have a layering guide within the download that will help show you how to layer this together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the light pink, then the darker pink or maroon color, the lighter pink, maroon, and then pink. Lots of pinks and maroons, I know. But I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I layer everything together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there is our front cover panel. Let's go ahead and grab our card base, and we can attach this to the front of the card. And now I'm going to stand up the card and then place these two side cover panels on the side arms of the card base. And there is our card. I'm going to set that to the side so we can go ahead and dry. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take the inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip the inlay over, Place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Now you could add the card to the envelope when you're making this just to make sure that you have enough room. I'm not going to go ahead and do that, but depending on the thickness of your cardstock, you might want to do that. Go ahead and fold the side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms your envelope. And our stepper card is all set. What did you think of this card? Wasn't it pretty? I hope that you liked this one. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Wedding Week video. Bye-bye.